Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore Odoo Studio, one of the most powerful tools inside Odoo and lets you customize, create your applications without writing a single line of code. So Odoo Studio is Odoo's no-code customization tool. It lets you modify existing apps like sales, CRM, invoicing, and even creates a new one, all without creating Python or XML code. So for that, you have to first of all install the Studio. Here I had already installed the Web Studio. So after that, we will take an example of a sales module. So move to the sales module, and on the top right corner, you can see the Studio icon. So inside the Studio, you can see the left side is a sidebar for fields, and on the top you can see views, reports, automations, webhooks, access control, and filter rules. Inside the views, you can customize the views, like here in the form view. You can create a field as per your customizations you want to need in the form view. Change the label. And save. You can even customize invisible read-only required on the basis of conditions. So this is the customized field on the form view. Even you can customize the tab in the form view. From here, you can add a new tab. Change the name. Here I am giving a customer info name. Add the field in the tab. From here you can add a field in the tab. Change the label. Here you can give the placeholder default value, also visibility to groups, forward visibility to groups as per your need. So here you can see we have given the label to the field, save the record. And you can see the label is customized as per our need. After that, move to the reports. In the reports, you can customize the logo, the conditions of the text on base of this. Even you can style the headings, fonts, dates, etc. from here by selecting the text, right? And in the automations, you can create a new automation rules. Let's make it. From here, select the model, choose the trigger point. Right here, I am setting is a status set to cancel, right? And then add an action. Like here, I am giving and send an email. If you want to add a group, then you can add from here. You can give the email template, what type of message. I am giving an email, save and close. So here our new automation rule is added. After that, you can also give the access control to the particular manager as per your need. Here the name is already set like sale order manager, model, then group, and there is access to read, create, write and delete. On the base of your conditions, requirements, you can add and customize. So this is how you can give the access control to the particular manager, portal, accountant, likewise. And from here you can also rearrange or reorder the menus. Like here I am changing the order of the orders inside customers and sales team. Likewise, you can reorder the menus also from here. and confirm. So this is how Odoo Studio works to customize your apps or even existing apps. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.